All right, family. So we're ready to set off. You feel me? We go Aburi, Okuapim. They go chop fufu. We go. Move. Are you vex you? I thought you say make everybody wear sneakers for your safety. You wear slippers, can you?
We facilities ni bi oha ese expand computers no keka ho.
Charlie, when I boy hero, it the force.
Oh, hero there, it the force. It connects the Okuapim vibe, the boys, everything. Because we there here, we know each other, but we connect.
As a Rich Aburi Gardens, this nigga he pay give we all. Charlie, as a Rich Aburi Gardens, now for pay and transfer. We say Charlie hero, make sure I'm a Charlie. One of the main reasons why I tear this group or I form this group is, you know, say I get let's talk Okuapim already. That will let me talk Okuapim for better.
Yes.
But this one they go beyond the Okuapim. I'm trying to connect with other people within Ghana.
Sure.
So some 5 to 10 years to come, go travel, go outside, go link up plus different people outside the country. Feel the vibe.
This video, it will wake. You be the biggest ever YouTuber content creator in Okuapim right now. We dey beg you. You saw me here because you're there.
Charlie, me I'm not sentiment. Was answer for me travel back. Big up. Day inside, bro. Thanks. So Charlie, we day inside. We go Aburi Okuapim. We go chop fufu. If you the vibe, straight. We day inside 10 toes. Some point. Ebe some baby. All right, family. So we're ready to set off. You feel me? We go Aburi Okuapim. They go chop fufu. I told you guys, it's not about going to Aburi to eat the fufu. Pena, be the networking, the vibing, the energy. You feel the vibe. So Charlie, boys na bon chenku echiwo. Eddie, Charlie, who's there? Kabibi.
Charlie, today the device come here. I'm from since. Today I'm paeja.
What is you do no abre?
I say fufu no energy.
Shout. Charlie, who's there?
God, the Asante film guy Charlie, and then they be award into Beyond State team. What you say?
PY. Charlie, what's up? We make ready.
Make ready. Be like 5 years I pull bike, but Charlie.
5 years. Shout. What go yo, Charlie. Talk something. You make ready.
Yeah, as we do, I'm every day. Yeah, cool, nicely, neatly, calmly.
Shout.
To the destination.
Shout. He Charles there.
You already know how to do it. You get me right?
Yo, savage. Charles there.
Charlie, Charlie, you very brief straight. Charlie, you be there go. Yeah, come on, boy. You call latte. Yeah, if you know why, call someone and you go for it.
Heat. Charlie, what's up? We make ready.
Yeah, we make ready.
Welcome.
My first time here, me try. You just say,
shout. Boga, you are vex you. I thought you say make everybody wear sneakers for your safety. You wear slippers, can you?
Nah.
And I'll share slippers.
Maybe I'm share. I make him the aqua.
I also wait him there for your safety. So next time go pull up, if you not wear sneakers, no go. You feel me?
Sharp.
Abuja, you make ready.
Come on for this.
It's like a bike for fro.
Oh, masa, I got to bike. 6 o'clock. Me bike you say okwan so.
That be the thing talk say boys in here ready. You say see akwa na ba. Where they guy? Eh kato. They can say 6 o'clock for now ba. Na when na.
Benz no, na kwan wa.
Hey, easy. Charlie, boys here. Charlie, bike where you dey? Boys bike na akofa. Ana yesa.
Oh, one bike.
Boys, Ali, we friends. Tot ka so back.
My bike am team music out of 5,000.
What on 5,000?
I was a program say no here baby o. I just Okuapim pe.
So me ka so odugwari o anamboa.
Debi. Send a am from Uncle Weni. It's in here say be kata weni keke. So what I say.
Idea. Python, Charlie was there.
Sure I.
We are ready. Guy, we hit you as a hero here. Check. Boss, we are ready.
Oh, my fully set.
Sharp. We wed you, sir. Big man, no they come.
Finally, I come.
Make ready.
Sharp.
From a come to a brio, we fit.
Vimdi.
He Charlie. So we go. Is there?
The way he said that.
So Charlie, we on. They pull up for Aburi Okuapim State team. More videos will come. family, right now we day Akropon Okuapem. There's a palace. If you that Okuapem Hene Palace or Okuapem Mine Palace. So Charlie, the energies have the left my inside. The bicycle or the sport. Charlie, you want sport or you want no sport?
Nah, my home they get grinding. Active.
Yeah, Charlie said there. Charlie, energy. I say you slow.
Charlie today makes slow. But still we dey inside.
10 toes. Charlie bike now say.
Oh no, I mean correct. Oh, bibi I come on, but voice now. So me actually. I was say by 10:30 near where bro.
Charlie, this nigga, sorry me pokra no pardon. Me tia say. Yes, I know be out to free road parado bike now say.
The bike they have you. Obviously the little drop of water makes my two ocean.
Little drop of water make mine do she.
Ube.
Charlie, what's it there? Charlie, mama na bosulo bike na say.
Charlie, Aburi, I do come to Aburi non-stop. Okay, anyway, see, and so never to me. Be an Asian.
Charlie, who's it there?
Charlie, active. Say Ebutu.
What name fault?
David, they are active.
Charlie, boy, seen about bandana and man. Charlie, boy, who's it there? Oh, bike name fault. Hard. I be the feel the vibe.
Everything cool, Charlie. Everything cool, Charlie. Ebedru. Abra say be any day. Ebedru.
10 toes, say John, who's it there?
Kakra kebedu.
Oh, bike name say.
O back in there.
I be there inside, bro.
Straight from here to the mountain, every to the rear, say pow.
We there inside, bro. So they continue from Akropon Okuapem to Aburi. We shall this side, so we look at tie back. When I boss to tie back, on the coin. Charlie be zero so. Charlie, I tie there, windy. We move, hey! Charlie, come on over. Who's you? Who's he? Okay, you go latte Jancho. Charlie, we dey go, move. Oh, Charlie, kwaku buani kakre. Kwaku. You do Aburi na ayama no. Eh tu. You ma fashion way. Charlie, yanko manifestation yanko. You do Aburi be ayama no. Williams water. Oh, you water. Charlie, we go. Manifestation. That's it. Charlie, yanko manifestation. Charlie, manifestation. Who's it? Sorry, was. Charlie, manifestation. We don't go. Hey, one line. Hey, one line, Samson. Alright, Charlie, 10 toes with days. Right now, you can't reach Manfi. We are people. The whole world. If you don't want correct polo, I'll be Manfi. We are people. James, sir. Charlie, what's your boys now? Charlie, what's your name? What money? What money?
Yeah, funny.
What money?
Anyway,
Very right.
heat.
Charlie, come here. Make me the man, big man talk. What's up?
Cool, everything fine.
Charlie, when a big man, you from so many. What side of so many are you from?
I'm from Pom. Ghana water. Ghana water.
Okay. So the first time you come up more regular, you can't hear.
Oh, my first time of coming here, we did that.
So if as you come here, what the experience?
Oh, Charlie, the place is nice. I love the vibe.
You take ref cam, you feel me? Or the car by a convoy, you know DNM. So I just say, "It days, Bosu, why you pull over 5?" I think.
Time of food and son now feeling. Yeah, fellas are you
Bosu now we are trying to go a punch. Going.
Why punch a guy be tight say take Obuano. I me change see guys be kwedu kromba.
Hey, where's no Akuma? Charlie, we days at 10 toes. Come here, man.
Charlie, yeah, me challenge you by raise away. On a me challenge you.
I'm going to come about to my foot.
Me turn around. Not papa.
Mute. Don't you hear me?
Hey, Charlie, fully active.
Polo onga.
Polo ama ungo.
Man. Charlie, hear me?
Charlie, very easy. Make when papa. Charlie, muto polo.
You come again. Yo. Doctor, there. And I am quite sorry. I am quite brave. You. Boko. Okay. Director, doctor, we okay hospital no penny there no. Open you ba okay no uhun say. Oba ku apem no experience net say bibia ko your hospital one man.
Oh, Dami Adome, yan kakra.
Okay.
But more help.
Ebi then can we you more
accommodation.
Okay.
You hear we facilities ni bi o ha expand computers no keka ho.
Okay.
Enti baby out here bia o your crania you can extend your hand.
Sure.
And we would gladly accept it. Dami Shramo.
So any measure that man na video na ka kire omo. But that's it. How man fian? Okay. Mampon. Okay. So Charlie, we dey inside. We dey go Aburi we go chop fufu. If you ever straight, we dey inside 10 toes. Yem point e be san baby All right, family. Right now, we at Aburi Gardens. Have you been here before? If you know why, what's why then? You have to visit Aburi Gardens, bro. It'll be a nice place. If you check this side out, birthday party, they can go on for that side. Charlie, see the way my voice make heavy. You know, it's a small journey from a Duke Rome to Aburi Kuyapem. We started around 7:30. Right now, 11. 7:30 to 11, bro. No be small journey. We there inside. We can relax small for here. Then we'll go chop the fufu. You feel the vibe, the energy, the networking, the vibe, the levels be different. Aburi Gardens would day, Akuapem would day, Eastern Region would day. You feel the vibe? Sharp. Charlie, we be group, we be team, we dey go hiking, we dey go bike riding, we dey go party, we dey do everything. If you want join, it doesn't limit to Akuapem for any tribe, any region, wherever you dey, you go fit join. Somebody join from Somenya. People from Accra pull up. You feel the vibe, Charlie? Come date the family inside. We saw the do up. You point, you warm, 10 toes, and then you listed sharp.
Charlie, this be a Akuapem travel and tour. Right now we are here with
this. No be a Akuapem travel and tour. This be unscripted experience. You forget the group name. Hey, Eddie.
Charlie, forgive.
Unscripted experience.
Forgive.
This one, you know the limit of Akuapem for pay. Everybody go fit join. They say so many guys can't join today.
We are class. He said that one of the
yeah.
So far, Charlie, the experience how he did.
It be hard, Charlie. We ride from Adukrom Akuapem to Aburi, like 4 hours journey, bro. No be easy. Boys bike, the sport for the road, but still out there inside, bro.
Yes. So those are the challenges we now dey inside.
That be the challenge. The challenge with the face be say the bikes no be correct. You feel me? So we do have the puncher, not brake, not Charlie. That be the worst we get right now.
But
so right now,
I didn't say this be the maiden edition. So as time goes on, we'll fix those things.
That be the thing.
So what be the way forward right now? What be the next action after this?
The next action.
Because I sure say this no go end here.
No.
I didn't say more things there ahead.
That be the
so
thing.
if we brief our audience, so make them see.
Yeah. So one of the main reason why I tear this group or I form this group is say I get let's talk Akuapem already. That be limit to Akuapem for pay.
Yes.
But this one they go beyond Akuapem. I'm trying to connect with other people within Ghana.
Sure.
So some 5 to 10 years to come, go travel, go outside, go link up plus different people outside the country. Feel the vibe. That be one of the main reasons why I created this group.
Charlie, we have you awake in the Akuapem way. We know Charlie, we underestimate this guy, but this guy get all the numbers, get everything.
Charlie, you know one thing where you do, I feel proud. Say I go do something where people go pull up. You know, say today randomly so many guy cannot know him. It come show like it come. If you the vibe.
But what you are really doing, like I'm just praying that the diaspora see these things, because this thing is not easy. Charlie,
I would pray.
So what are your plans for the future? Because right now they say the thing need to go.
Charlie, one of my role model be with the Maya. You feel me? So you see how they do in things now. I don't want to do that and go beyond in one self.
So if you mention the Maya, so tell them your YouTube account. Big
okay. The YouTube account is Hero Week.
Sleep on.
Hero Week. You know, people to pronounce them Hero Walk. You know, be walk. It be WAIK. Week. Yeah. So Hero Week on all platforms: TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, X, Instagram, everywhere.
But since recently you celebrated your 100,000 followers.
Charlie for TikTok. You know, it be hard.
Right now, you have been able to make the Edukomo drive very successful. It's been one of the talking town. There's so much work in Akuapem. Charlie, so many things. Charlie,
more things go come. Charlie, this year I go medal. This year I go medal everybody. I be from Akuapem, go medal you. Because see how I go do.
We will celebrate 200 years of Muja. You forget.
I be 200 years with the whole
Akuapem. You don't know be limited to just Edukom. Like I don't make it clear things. You are not.
Oh yeah, I don't be limited to only Edukom.
You are in for all Akuapem and beyond. So we dey beg you. So if someone they won't contact you in case of like in parties, they won't make some programs, some content.
How
if I link you?
They fit text me on all my social media platforms. I talk already. My telephone number, personal number be 0550.
But guys, there's one thing you need to know. You if you text them, you go reply you right now, for sure. Charlie, this video you will wake. You be the biggest ever YouTuber content creator in Akuapem right now. We dey beg you. You're so new here because you're there.
Charlie. Me don't know what sentiment was. I'm from a travel back.
Big up.
Days that bro. Thanks. Sharp. Active. Charlie, what's up?
Boss, everything cool. Charlie, see, Sunday special.
Charlie, as a Rachel Aburi Gardens, this nigga, he pay give we all. Charlie.
AI.
AI. Wait, what am I? Charlie, so Rachel Aburi Gardens now for pay and transfer. Wait, say Charlie Hero, me too am money now. Charlie, over there.
Best boy, Charlie. All of us.
Okay, this is the best. Charlie, you do all. Charlie, boss was up experience in saying, yeah, prayer new bike in your nose, you know. So bike, I say, I catch it about number, bike, I say. Charlie, be driver, so open by dropping baby, bit him the walk or so what as a challenge, born number, be better dropping.
0242 306906. Sharp.
Charlie said,
yo guys, we here. Say a catch them, ya ba. Yaban so then yaba watch out.
And then Funu Udian, we do how many rounds? Boko how many rounds?
O me de o da fufu o da bi mi asante ni me di fufu ni bi hwe. Da bi ba o man bebre on say omo ni nyina ma me a me di dia be ka na ma di.
You're a big man. I be active.
I dey active, bro.
Sharp. Everything.
Charlie, the experience be nice. Wow.
Go chop the fufu no.
You dey ba we go eat fufu there. My own asante for there. Fufu there. Yeah, me di
fufu asante for
me free Konongo boy, Charlie. Konongo boy.
Charlie. So many who say there?
No, Charlie.
I feel the vibe. No?
I feel the vibe. Pa.
You dey kind inside hombre.
Oh, massa, but the sofa.
Magic can let you.
No problem.
But make you buy it, no.
Wallahi.
It's today inside.
Okay.
We just do some business here in case we measure or not do anyway. We are the private something.
I did hardware, building materials.
Okay.
In case you need me, I did one yeah.
Okay.
0243 638579.
So many our side.
I did Pongno.
Okay.
Also ventures.
Sharp. We dey inside that.
Okay.
Charlie, we musa wa bre ana ombre.
My bread, hero, Charlie. My bike, no. I'm fought by my try, Charlie.
No, I do chrome. Boys on board and Chennai and we can be. Asoko phone etena nkedi asoko na be asoko. Asokwa. At the konipon bunya askoya. Charlie dey inside 10 toes. So what you say?
Charlie, today they say you put your camera down. What's up?
Charlie, me too. I for enjoy this thing.
So today they have enjoyment today.
Yeah. Today they are not be cameraman.
Sure. Charlie, the experience how it is here.
Charlie, me go to Joe. By card here, chinti more of them.
Okay. Charlie, some boys say they want how I do not you. Charlie, the experience the moon today.
As you can see, from Adukron to Aburi, it's not a small journey, but we did our best.
But they say the vice not the flies in there. What's up?
My bike be good past everybody bike. I mean, you know.
And they say you don't have the rope.
Yeah, you see, there's something they say you buy meat 30 baht, then you take your chew. But we will be vegetarian, so we go take the soup raw then. And the omutu. Unless the food will go chop.
You know what you want?
The omutu unless FBI come inside, so called the investigation. Tackle.
Tell them something. Say go pay.
The omutu levels to me, I go fit chop like 10 or 15. But as you can see, things make tough. So we go manage the job.
As you can see.
Forget them. Charlie, mo go to.
Charlie, what's up? You I didn't say you make quiet today. Why? What's up?
Charlie, my bike dey fuck up, so it make a hot small. But right this day okay, it dey vibe.
You sure.
But the fufu dey. Now come here busy you say. Last time we na car no am fan bad because fufu na so me ne be ko.
Fufu no say 30 cedi o.
30. Yeah, me a vegetarian. I don't lie though.
Charlie. Yes, sir. Now, and then the me say bike kill. They be how the first. What's up?
I want say bike.
Why you should not be biker?
Black Cobra. Any soon. Bike no a Black Cobra. What I say?
Now what's up?
And then first time by my fellow vibe, you know.
So what's up? Your bar say you could fufu and omutu. Inti Mosha, my ready.
Oh yeah, ready. You could person twice from quack crown and could phone or some bit me and Samana. Because strong, right?
For me to come to every what's up some quack.
A person coho, bro. A person coho. It's true.
Charlie, so what be the experience? You feel the vibe?
I feel the vibe.
Sure. Charlie, you don't know cassava, and you don't know experience no one.
Charlie, we are hard. They drum 10 toes. So what you say?
Then fufu dey. What boys never be so vegetarians.
Oh yeah, let's say fufu. Yes, fufu is free. And now beton am. Is one person beton am. No beton, my boy.
Over Charlie, straight from so many now. You be forced.
I know easy.
Now, what's up? The fufu.
Oh, some of us me the food. They are not chop food, but I go chop meat. Yeah, motu there.
But the bike experience for me to come to. How you see that thing?
Oh, Charlie, it be nice.
So make you do them again.
For sure.
Charlie, if I come, Charlie, we get someone for here. They call him Osama. Osama there inside. He said I don't want to talk today. We don't understand. My bro, so what's up? The experience how is there?
It be hard.
So you don't want to we try them again?
Oh yeah, but Charlie going go be hard. The going there go be hard.
Sure. They go in there unless we do.
Oh yeah, that one there true. The going go be hard. Because Charlie, as you can't reach yourself, it's easy. But Charlie, go try.
But they say some food too. They want to.
Oh yeah, the food that we are here today. Oh. Yeah, so we dey go that.
So you make ready.
Oh yeah. Me
Charlie,
I like fufu.
Charlie, this experience we go do them again. We dey go chop fufu now. All that sharp. This be Osama. When Osama is there, you come. So how the experience?
The journey there be. Don't try this at home, Jenny. If you try this journey, you go die. So they challenge.
Why the experience, man?
Me I no go back. Me I go take cargo. Me I'm done.
So the experience, make you try them again.
Hey. You go try them there fine, but me there my experience there. The experience I get there, I no go try them again. I go take cargo house. This one
they lie. You go try them.
Oh no. Me there I go sit ambulance inside go house.
But the experience has been good.
Oh yeah. Charlie experience they be good, Charlie. Boys vibes, everything, Charlie.
Tell those people then there or something. Say next time make them join.
Oh Charlie. That one there be true. Next time they come join, but the journey there. If you come join now, you go see. And you be like catch you say go and coffee.
There be one thing where I don't make it talk. Charlie, when I boy hero, it the force.
Oh, hero there, it the force. It connects the crapping vibe, the boys, everything. Because we there here, we know each other, but we connect. Everybody they talk, we the vibe. Like everybody they do. So
that be hard.
It be good. It be good. So we there inside.
So we active.
Active.
Make we go chop the
fufu there. There baby. Anytime about me jim fufu na me jim club about kwa. Baby.
Send our person overcome you.
Me nkaba can coffee.
Charlie nigga, this be Osama. I be hard nigga.
you.